You know, sometimes I think people over 50 get the message that we had our turn. That the best years, the busy ones, the building ones are behind us. But here is what I know. The world still needs what you have. Your skill, your kindness, your calm wisdom that only comes from living a full life. And you don't have to chase something big. You can start small. Do what you already love and let it bring in a little extra income and a lot of joy. So today I want to share 5 side hustles that aren't about hassle at all. They are about flow. Simple, meaningful ways to earn after 50, doing what lights you up. If that speaks to you, stay with me, because that might just shift how you see work forever. Reframing work after 50. When I talk to my friends my age, we all say the same thing. We're not chasing promotions anymore. We are chasing peace, purpose, and yes, a bit of pocket money doesn't hurt either. After 50, works take on a new meaning. It is not about climbing, it's about contributing. And that's where these side hustles comes in. They're flexible, fun, and built on what you already know. Let's start with something simple. Something that might be closer to home than you think. Side hustle number 1. Teach what you know. You've probably taught your whole life without even realizing it. How to fix something, bake something, calm someone. What if you could get paid for that? What a bonus! You could tutor school kids, teach Excel to small business owners, host workshops or something you love, gardening, baking, bookkeeping. And if you are comfortable online, you can even teach from home on sites like Udemy or Skillshare. You've earned decades of learning. Why not let that experience earn for you? Side hustle number 2. Pet or house sitting. Now this one just makes me smile. If you love animals, and honestly, who doesn't? Pet sitting or house sitting can be pure joy. You earn a bit of money, keep busy, and sometimes even stay in lovely homes. There are safe websites like Trusted House Sitters or even your local Facebook groups to get started. It's easy, it's heartwarming, and it's perfect if you want a flexible, low-stress way to stay active and connected. Side hustle number 3. Baking or cooking from home. If your happy place is your kitchen, this one is for you. Bake rusk, muffins, or make preserve. Or cooking a meal for other people. Start with one small batch. I know women who began by baking for church fairs and now sell every weekend to local coffee shops. You don't need fancy packaging or an industrial oven. Just love, consistency, and a bit of creativity. Maybe it's comfort and love and care in every bite. Side hustle number 4. Handmade or vintage goods. If you are creative, this one is yours. People crave authenticity these days. Things made by real hands with care. You can paint, knit, sew, restore, or even sell beautiful second-hand finds. Facebook Marketplace and local markets are perfect for this. I once met a retired engineer who restores old tools and sells them as decor. He told me it is the happiest work he has ever done. So why don't you think of something you can do? Side hustle number 5, consulting or virtual assisting. Now for those who like structure, it is brilliant. If you worked in admin, HR, marketing or management, your experience is in high demand. Small businesses need help with emails, invoicing or social media. You could consult a few hours a week or assist virtually from home. Start with one client. Build confidence, it grows naturally. Your years of experience, that's someone else's missing piece puzzle. And now a bonus one. Rent out what you own. Here is a bonus idea. Let your stuff earn for you. A spare room, a caravan, a holiday house, or even a pressure washer. People rent everything now. Apps like Airbnb, Rent My Stuff, make it simple and safe. You can literally earn while you sleep. What a joy! The mindset shift from hustle to flow. Here's the truth I learned. It is not about working harder anymore. It's about aligning what you love with what the world needs. Your value didn't retire when you did. You lived, learned and led. That's what makes you valuable now. Start small, keep it simple and let joy guide the rest. If this resonated with you, if something in you just said, yes, it's me, then join me. Subscribe to Thrive60 here on YouTube. Share this with a friend who needs encouragement. And tell me in the comments which side hustle speaks to your heart. Because when we earn with joy, not stress, we don't just make money, we make meaning. Thank you for watching. Keep thriving until next time.